Are you ready for a story? Good. Then let's begin. At the bottom of the valley, between two huge snow-capped mountains, was a wide blue-green lake. Every day the lake sparkled and glittered like a million diamonds, even when the sun was hidden behind the clouds. Do you know why it sparkled so? No? Well, let me tell you. Buried deep under the lake is a cave, so huge that you could fit 200 buses in it. Inside the cave are 5 islands, each covered in piles of gold and silver and thousands of rubies, sapphires, emeralds and diamonds. Thousands and thousands of diamonds. In the top of the cave was a tiny hole, and through that the light shone onto the diamonds below, and they lit up so brightly that they shone out from the cave and made the lake sparkle. Whose are all those diamonds and gems, I hear you ask? Well, let me give you a clue. She is an animal that is feared by everyone who sees her. She has a head as big as a house, and each of her 4 legs is like a great old oak tree. Have you guessed what she is yet? Her tail is as long as the school playground, and her wings are as big as the sails on the biggest sailboat you can imagine. Yes, you guessed it. She's a dragon, and her name is Betty. Betty is a selfish dragon. She's a cruel dragon. She's a dangerous dragon. Betty wants all the diamonds in the whole world, and she will kill anyone and everything to get them. Each day she flies away and searches for gold, silver and gems. One day, as Betty flew high over some mountains, a sparkle caught her eye. It was at the top of a mountain in the distance. The closer she got, the brighter the sparkle became. It was the most beautiful treasure she had ever seen. I expect you'd like to know what it was. It wasn't gold or silver, and nor was it a ruby, an emerald, a sapphire, or even a diamond. No, it was far more precious than that. It was the most precious treasure that the world has ever known. As Betty got closer and closer, she could see more clearly just how valuable that treasure was. She wanted it. Oh, she wanted it so much. Could it really be hers? Could she really own that treasure? What did she have to do to get that treasure? There was nobody guarding it, and it wasn't as though anyone had hidden it from view. But there was something different about this treasure. Betty wanted it more than anything else she had ever wanted. A voice that she'd not heard before spoke to her. It was a soft voice, but a strong voice, the voice of someone in charge. She didn't know where it came from, but she knew it was important. It told her that if she wanted this treasure, then she had to sell all of her other treasure, all of her silver and all of her gold. Every ruby, every sapphire, every emerald and every diamond had to be sold so that she could buy this treasure. And what do you think Betty did? Did she take the treasure anyway? Did she get angry? No. She flew back to her cave at the bottom of the valley and sold all of her treasure. When she had sold it all, she had enough money. And with it, she bought the most precious treasure the world has ever known. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.